Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by clarifying what you need to learn and why it matters. Set a concrete goal, exam date and score target, and block study time. Once done, select 3 focus topics to create sets for. This prevents scattered review. Make sure to pick the right Quizlet mode early, flashcards to memorize, learn to track progress, test to simulate exam conditions, and match for recall speed, so your practice aligns with the goal and time you've reserved. Now build each set with a practical structure. 1 clear question or prompt and 1 precise answer so your brain forms strong connections. Once created, enhance selectively, add an image or audio when it clarifies a concept, and include a short example sentence to show usage. Make sure to tag and place sets in folders by topic or week. This streamlines spaced review later and lets you pull targeted practice quickly when you have limited time. You finish by turning sets into a routine. Practice daily with short sessions and schedule a weekly cumulative pass to cement retrieval. Once comfortable, alternate modes. Use Learn for stepwise mastery and test to mirror exam timing and pressure. If things go wrong, edit any ambiguous cards or split oversized sets into smaller chunks to reduce overwhelm. That single fix usually restores progress quickly and keeps you moving toward your goal without losing momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.